We're fixing, it's gonna go low.
We're gonna put the slam down on this truck while we're waiting on parts for everything else.
What's up, guys? This is Chase and Russell today with The Journey, and we're on an adventure, a journey.
I'm going on an adventure.
That's what we're doing. We're going to pick up another car. We picked up one yesterday. It was a piece of junk, but
We got it for the engine. That's why we got it.
yeah, it's a Tahoe. But now we're going to pick up a bad ass Cadillac. So y'all stay tuned. We got the trailer behind us, and we're headed to go pick it up. So y'all come along.
Woo, buddy!
We got a damn Cadillac.
Man, it's a hot one. Bam, bam.
I'm excited about this Cadillac. It's a Coupe Deville, 66 Coupe Deville, and it's on the trailer backwards. So we're kind of going pretty slow.
Yeah, because if you don't know, like when you got a trailer, if you put all the weight to the back, the trailer wants to pass you if you get going too fast. So, but we didn't have any choice the way it was in there.
No, we might have to, if things get a little squirrely, we're gonna pull over, unload it, hopefully in some shade,
And reload it.
reload it. Russell, it doesn't
Pull
start.
that rope.
It doesn't start. The key won't work.
I can't understand you.
It won't crank. Woo. Did I stop it? What happened? Did we hit it?
Well, let off the brake.
No.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, that's what it's gonna do when them turbos kick in, boy.
Let's go drop old Mac though.
Okay. What's happening now, buddy, old pal?
Yeah, we went and picked up a dang Cadillac, and now we're about to drop old Mac.
That rhymed. He's a rhyme machine.
I was rhyming?
We got that Cadillac, now we're gonna drop old Mac.
Word out.
Y'all know, y'all heard of Eminem? Well, this is Reese's Pieces.
We're fixing, it's gonna go low.
We're gonna put the slam down on this truck while we're waiting on parts for everything else.
Hey,
Yeah, buddy, hey?
remember that time
Oh, I know exactly what you're looking for.
you told me to put it in a place that I would remember?
What are you looking for?
You know,
Go and explain to the audience what it is you're searching for.
it's the lug nut, Dillyma flapper. The locking lug nut.
Lug
You know
nut
what?
socket?
The place that it should be would be in this truck,
Right.
but I don't think it's there. Hey, it's not there.
I told you where I put it.
Oh, you put it somewhere?
I told you where I put it. Here, let's just get this party started. It's in my toolbox, in the half-inch socket drawer, third one down on the right, third little one on the right, third little one on the right, fourth little one on the right. Yeah, that one.
I thought you knew your toolbox, Russell.
On the right, boom, shakalaka.
It's gonna stay in the truck now.
You need a socket that fits it?
Yeah, it kind of fits it.
Okay, we're gonna get this truck on jack stands and in the air, and then we'll be back with you briefly.
Russell's dead. What are we doing, Russell? You're explaining how to do a drop kit, so I grabbed the camera.
We're doing a flip kit.
A flip, I mean, that's dropping it, right?
Yes, sir.
Like smart.
Anywho, your leaf springs are on top of the rear end on most trucks.
Yep.
most full-size trucks.
Hey, let me put some light on this situation.
Shine a little light on this stuff.
Oh, look at that. We got light.
And this is like brand new stuff under here.
It
so
is.
we got to be careful not to scratch any of it.
Uh-huh.
But your leaf springs are on top of your rear end.
Yep.
And what a flip kit does is it gives you another bracket so you can put your leaf springs underneath your rear end. And just doing that gives you like a 6-inch drop. And then this kit also came with rear shackles. So we will put the shackles on also, and we'll have to put a C-notch in.
Fun stuff. Ow! What'd you do?
I hit my fingers on the ground. I was like, whop. The tips of my fingers hit the concrete, and it sucked.
Nobody cares about all that. He was being an asshole earlier, so I'm just giving it back to him.
Yeah, buddy, hey, I got some facts for you. Screw them U-bolts. Chase has gone to the store to get some more. We're cutting them suckers off there. They've been on there since 1984, I guess. I fought one of them off. To hell with that. I'm gonna cut the rest of these suckers off, so we'll be back. So Chase called. He found some U-bolts, he thinks. I got some hillbilly stuff going on here. I had to get the truck up high enough to get the leaf springs away from the rear end, and my jack was stuck underneath the rear end, and blah, 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 blah. Long story short, I got this going on. I got a jack on the bumper. I had to use this old broken jack to get the rear end off of that jack because our jack stands aren't tall enough to set the truck up off the ground high enough to get the leaf spring separated from the rear end. See? But now it is. I got a jack stand underneath my drive shaft right there just to keep the rear end from rotating. I've got all my rear end leaf spring bolts, U-bolts, and everything loose. So now, jack the rear end up, leaf springs out, jack the rear end up, put the leaf springs underneath the rear end, put it all back together.
All right. How low do you think it's going to be? All the way to the float?
Can you get down low? All the way to the float.
Oh, gosh. Oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, dude. That looks good. Oh, man. Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah. Carolina SWAT. Oh, she's smoking. There's no shocks. Oh, man. What is that?
Yeah, buddy, you like that, don't you?
I like it.
Yeah.
Look at that smoke coming out that tailpipe. What was that? A piece that you cut off. Tell me when, buddy. That good? That good where she's at? That good? That good?
Come up a little more.
All right, I'll come up a little more, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Come on. That ought to be good.
She died.
All right. So yesterday, we got the slam down on the back of old Mac. Still got to put the C-notch in and the shocks on. And then we're going to put the slam down on the front of old Mac.
Don't be too low.
And then we're going to drive the ever-loving poo-poo out of this truck. We're going to
do a
drift
burnout.
it, do burnouts.
Hey, what
See if we can blow it up, so we got to put another engine in it.
Well, so you gonna work on this back?
Yeah, so yesterday we got the flip kit installed and the shackles installed. We still need to put in these bolt-in C-notches and get our shocks mounted and tighten everything up. We just had to nerd out and slam it and see what it looked like.
Yeah, it looks
So
good.
while I'm doing this, Chase is gonna get started on the spindles and springs on the front end. That way we can try to knock this out quicker, because I think he's gonna try to buff this truck.
I'm gonna wet sand it, I know that. But I'm gonna finish this right here. I'm gonna wet sand it with some 600, then go back over it with, what'd you say, 1200?
Yes, sir.
And then try to clean it up after we get this drop put on it. I am taking inventory. I got 1 spring, 2 spindles. There's another spring over here, but I'm just gonna start tearing it apart. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at all that gunk. I didn't get that with the pressure washer. But anyways, I'm gonna start taking stuff apart. Let's see if we can do this. I know Russell can do it. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna do it. What you got done so far, Russell?
I got a hole cut in the frame. The bed is hitting where the notch needs to go over.
Really?
So,
Oh.
but it's got a little
Can you
slack
not
in
jack the bed up?
it. Well, that's what I'm finna do.
Oh, okay.
Just to see, because I think I'm pretty close to my notch fitting.
Yeah.
Clean up my edges, put a little paint on them, and drill a bunch of freaking holes.
Why don't you just weld it in?
I'm gonna drill it.
All right, let's drill it.
I'm gonna drill it.
All right, I've got a little progress done.
What do you got going?
Oh, I got some stuff torn apart. I'm just tearing crap up.
You
Got
ain't
all-
tore up nothing. Oh, that's already got drop spindles on it. I'm lying to you.
Those are not drop spindles. Those are crusty.
Hey, that
factory
little
drop-
rubber on the spindle, you're gonna want that little thingy too.
Yeah, it's cracked.
It's okay. My butt's got a crack in it. It still works just fine.
I have to deal with these corny jokes all the time, but it makes it interesting.
I can barely hear you because I got me old AirPods in.
He wasn't supposed to hear me.
That's what I hear. What?
Hey, welcome back to Russell's Tip of the Day.
I'm gonna show you the wrong way to take a tie rod off.
Yeah.
I don't like using pickle forks because they tear up the boot.
Wait.
Wait, what?
Why in the hell is it called a pickle fork?
It may not, it's probably not called a pickle fork. That's just
I've
what
always
all
been-
the old people
That's what I've
said it
always
was.
called it, pickle fork.
But they actually have a tool that's kind of like a puller, like a balancer puller that pushes up on this
Oh,
stud.
I got you.
But
How are we gonna do it, Russell?
we're gonna give it a whack.
Think
We're just
how?
gonna hit the outside of this spindle right here where this stud goes through here.
Okay.
And just try to get it to bust loose.
All right.
Nope.
Dang!
And I mean, sometimes they're nightmarishly hard in there, but most of the time you can just give it a couple of good hits.
And why
it'll-
you said you don't use a pickle fork because it can mess up the
it
rubber?
tears up this rubber, but you do not want to hit those threads right there.
Oh yeah,
either.
because you'll mess that up.
You know, my first time I just took and hit
Bam.
right here,
And you
trying
messed.
to knock, yeah, and then you got to put a tie rod on it.
Oh, that
Now
sucks.
we didn't mess up the boot, we didn't mess up the threads. We can reuse this tie rod.
Heck yeah! All right, I'm gonna get back to it.
Now, hit the spindle where hit it where the ball joint goes through. Just like I did with the tie rod.
Oh, okay.
Hit the spindle
I
right
want to
there.
move this.
Why don't you spin the spindle the other way?
Okay.
Because you're right-handed and you can swing on it back there.
Oh.
You grabbed the greasy.
Dude, I grabbed that. I've grabbed it twice now. I've grabbed it twice. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I've got grease all over me. Let me move this camera because I might have to swing.
Now. Yeah.
Just hit the crap out of it.
Yep.
What about this damn?
Why don't you move your bungee cord and tie that thing up higher?
Why don't I? We're out the way.
Give that ball joint a whack.
Right here.
Yes, sir. Again. Do it harder. Don't grab that again.
Oh, I missed.
There it went.
Oh yeah, it
You
did
see
go.
it jump?
Yeah, it did jump.
Okay. Now you got to do the same thing to the top one.
So I might
Don't
just-
grab that again.
Golly,
You
that's-
almost grabbed it.
Oh, I'm not grabbing it. Oh man, got my calipers in the way.
So Chase has got the front end coming apart. I've got my first C-notch in here. I just need to drill holes now. The C-notch is in place. I'm gonna go ahead and do one side at a time so I don't put too much tension on the frame. I'm I'm gonna get this one bolted in. I gotta drill a whole bunch of holes, and then I'll move on to the other side, and the back end will be done.
I'm dirty, man.
Y'all ain't never seen Chase this dirty.
No, because this truck is dirty. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth when the jack gets stuck underneath it.
Why?
It's gonna be too low.
Oh,
No.
here it is. Heck yeah, dude.
Hey!
That looks so good.
Hell yeah.